Okay, so is my screen visible now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Kita naman po.
Okay, so maybe this will only take 5 minutes, especially to those who has lecture and laboratory. Again, I just noticed that up to the end, it seems that starting from module 2, I think, yeah, module 2 onwards, it is super distinct already with your laboratory. Okay, so that is why, as you guys can see, there is already a pre-made video right here. So this one was actually discussed at in my laboratory yesterday. So Mr. Tanikala and the others, even Mr. Mahaba is also part. So yeah, as you guys can see, whatever we have discussed yesterday, it is also the one that we're going to discuss supposedly for today. So that is why I decided again to just compile that one. I did combine already the part one and part two in one video. So it's one discuss the entire module for the assembly language for arithmetic and sequential instruction. Okay. So and yeah, the same also with your laboratories actually. Okay, so in here it's just a different name. It's task 3.3, task 3.4, but in your laboratory it's lab number 3 and 4. So still the same, it's still the same question: create an assembly program that accepts two single digit, from 0 to 9, etc., even with the task 3.4. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know that we are already done for today's meeting since we have the same content. So I don't know what happened. Maybe Ma'am Suarez decided to combine the lecture and laboratory, as one, okay, because they have the same content. So maybe it would be more logical if we will do the discussion on the lecture for this class, and then I will let you guys do all the laboratories or activities on the microflow lab. But unfortunately, some of you only have the microflow lab, some of you only have the microflow lecture. So we cannot do that one. Okay. So that is why I decided to have a separate submission. So just finish one, let's say the lab number 3, then submit it here on task 3.3. Just finish your lab 4, and then just submit it also here on the task 3.4. So you're just going to create one, just going to do one, and then submit on both submission tab. So are we clear with that one?
Clear, sir.
So yeah, it's ready. So I just arranged this one into this kind of format: acquiring new knowledge. This is the module. So we don't have a topic learning outcome, since this is a continuation of the module 3B. This instruction set. This is also instruction set, but just a different topic. Okay, so the same. We not only have two remaining modules. So this is the raw imported files. One came from Miss Suarez or Ma'am Suarez. So as you guys can see, I even have the recordings from her previous class. So I will just arrange this one again into something like this, and then yeah, same lecture, same laboratories or activities. But for now, just focus on this one. So as you guys may also have noticed, I think your midterm exam in lecture and laboratory is also the same, except for the multiple choice, wherein supposedly you're going to have a multiple choice, but I wasn't able to access that one since it was made in a different platform. I forgot the name, but yeah, and then you're going to put here your score. So anyway, the same with your laboratory. Wasn't, or I haven't checked your midterm exam yet. So I'll let you guys know once I'm done checking this one. Okay. So any question or clarification so far regarding with our discussion, maybe yesterday? or any concerns regarding with this one? With this
Wala
week
naman
7?
po, sir.
Mr. Pulmano, are you here, Mr. Pulmano?
Yes, sir.
Di ba naging instructor niyo si Ma'am Suarez dati sa MicroPro Like and Love?
Yes, sir.
Same lang ba? Baka may nami-miss
Yeah.
out ako.
Same lang, sir.
Ganun ba yung ginawa ni Ma'am Suarez dati? Parang pinumbay niya yata, I think.
Yes, sir. Yung difference lang sa laboratory lang yung activities. Lecture, purely lessons lang. Tas kahoots po yung multiple choice na yun, sir.
Sa ano?
Yung sa exam na sinasabi yung multiple choice, sir, kahoots po yung website na
Oo
ginamit ni
pala.
ma'am.
Kahoots. Hindi ko na kasi ma-access eh. Hindi ko na alam kung paano niya ginawa or syempre, siya naman yung gumawa. I never used Kahoots even once, so I don't know how to operate using Kahoots. Anyway, it's okay. Ang mahalaga meron pa rin kayong exam. You know, that's what's important. The practical one instead of just the multiple choices. Anyway, so yeah, just wanted to confirm maybe because maybe I was missing something else. No, I wasn't able to give that module or that specific discussion. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, that's already it. If you guys don't have any concerns or questions anymore, then you guys may go now. Yeah, I think so. You have a final exam in lecture. Let's check. Why? Before you guys don't have? Yeah, there is. It's 50 points for your, this is the, yeah, lecture. Final examination. The same with your laboratory, I guess. So this is, oops, my bad. For those who have a laboratory, I think you guys also have the, yeah, you guys also have a final exam on laboratory. So any other questions so far?
None, sir.
Okay, so that's about it. If you guys don't have any other concerns or questions anymore, you guys may know. So as always, thank you guys for coming and a blessed day to all of you. Happy lunch.
Bye, sir. Happy lunch po.
Goodbye.